Every building needs a roof. Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. In this video, we're gonna talk all about roofs. Different materials, different costing, different finishes. With me is Imran, who's the CEO and the MD of Reza. It's the owner of roofmyworld.com, and he's gonna tell us everything you need to know about roofs. So Imran, thank you so much for doing this. Can you tell a bit more about Reza and roofmyworld.com?
First of all, thank you, Nikhil, that you have come to our company and you are showcasing our products. So tell me, what do you want to know about our products?
So what do you guys exactly do at Reza?
Reza is a roofing solution provider. We provide sustainable solutions for our customers. We have a wide range of products. People who are bored of conventional roofing, they can have a feel of modern roofing. I'll take you through our various different products, what we have.
So let's start. What will you show me first?
I can say my personal favorite, Onduline.
Okay.
So it's a French company. It's there in the roofing for last 60 years.
Okay.
So they have beautiful products.
Okay.
And as I said, we are connected to Mother Earth.
Okay.
And this product is something which is eco-friendly and made out of organic cellulose. So it comes with a 15-year warranty.
It's made out of organic cellulose?
Yes.
I didn't understand. So
okay, you can see they are made of fibers.
Right.
To be a very layman language.
Correct.
So they are made out of fibers.
Correct.
And it actually comes with a sandwich of everything. And feel the texture.
Right.
So
it almost feels like cloth.
Yes.
Right.
So, but this, when you feel it, आपको लगेगा कि यार ये क्या मैंने डाल दिया. But when it comes to as a system, we call it a roofing system rather than a roofing product.
Okay.
So इसमें हर एक चीज जिसमें लगती है, it gives that sturdiness to the product. Okay. When you feel it as a whole, you will feel, yeah, this is something unique, and people will say that the wow factor is there in this product.
Okay.
And this product comes in three different, you can say, there's no difference in the raw material. The raw material remains all through. It's only the aesthetic sense which differs. And every product looks unique.
Okay.
Like this is Onduline Classic.
Okay.
Classic comes in 4 different colors.
Okay.
One is red, then we have brown, the chocolate brown.
Okay.
And then comes the anthracite black and the green.
Okay.
So these are the 3 or 4 different colors which come in Onduline Classic.
Okay.
So this is the starting range in Onduline, and it goes up as it goes. This is polycarbonate from Onduline. We have, like, people will want skylight harvesting to happen.
Okay.
So this is a product from Onduline itself which gives you that skylight within the structure. So going forward, we have something called Onduline tile sheet.
So what do you mean by a tile sheet?
Okay, Onduline Classic gives you the feel of a normal corrugated sheet.
Okay.
But people would want something unique, and they would want a 3D kind of a look wherein there are different shades on the roof.
Okay.
So, but they can't spend a budget like for an Ondu Villa. That's a premium product of Onduline.
Okay.
So we have something called a hybrid. Okay. It's a hybrid between the sheet and a tile. After installation, this will look like a tile.
Okay.
So it has a different shade of black and the color.
Okay.
So there's only one color in this. It's called dual red. Okay. So why we call it dual red? It gives you that 3D look when you install this onto your roof. Okay. So people will feel like they have installed tiles, but it is actually a sheet. So price-wise, it's more budget friendly.
So what you just said, classic, and what's the price range?
So it usually starts at 45 rupees a square foot with Onduline Classic.
Okay.
And it goes upwards up to 75 rupees with Ondu Villa. Okay. So this comes between 55-60 range.
Okay. And I want to ask you this. So as I'm touching this, right, it feels like a fiber, as you rightly said. It feels like cloth. Is it strong?
Strength-wise, I would want you to see when we install this. Each sheet, okay, this is all engineered. It's not just a product. The company itself has engineered, and they have come up with how to do installation. Okay. In every roofing, not only in Onduline, installation plays a vital role. So that role played by the fasteners or whatever the structure, everything has to be done as per the methodology complied by the company, because it's very important when it comes to sturdiness of the roof. Okay. So in this sheet, when I talk about, there are 18 fasteners which go into one sheet. Okay. So they also specify where it has to be put. Okay. So if you're following that methodology, this is a cyclone-proof roof.
Oh.
So it can withstand winds up to 180 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
So that's the specialty of this product.
Okay. And what about rain and all of that? It's not going to seep through or anything? It's a very silly question, but it feels like cloth. That's why I'm asking.
The product comes with 15 years of warranty for waterproofing. So,
Oh, waterproofing. Okay.
Yes. So you don't have to worry about that the water is going to seep in.
Right.
And if does seep in, the company gives you free of cost installation again once if there is a manufacturing defect in the product.
Wow. Okay. And as you pointed out, if you follow the right installation methodology, it's very strong.
It's very strong, and there's also a video on YouTube where you can see a truck running onto it, but still the product is so resilient it goes back to its own form.
Okay.
So it doesn't get even a single this one damaged. So
Okay.
that resilient is the product.
Okay. So what is the premium range of this which you were talking about?
This is a tile sheet. As I said, it's a hybrid between the tile and the sheet.
So you were talking about your after Onduline, your next range of products.
It's not next. See, there are people who will not like Onduline because they don't want kind of a fiber on top of them. They're not comfortable with that. But in India, they feel that when it comes to roofing, alternate roofing, it's GI, it's galvalume or a galvanized sheet. We call it patri here. So Oralium is something which will give you that premium look. It will also give you that comfort of sturdiness.
Okay.
It is also lightweight because it's made of aluminium. See, aluminium is a very versatile raw material. Let it be an aeroplane or let it be your
smartphone.
day-to-day. Yeah, smartphones.
Yeah.
So it's a very sturdy material. So in roofing, it's a new addition because it's not like thoda bahut humne aluminium use kar liya. So it is not like that. It's 100% aluminium. And the best part of this, it comes with lifetime warranty.
Oh.
So the product doesn't rust, it doesn't corrode. So आप एक बार लगा दिया, just you can forget about it. And even the coating, that the shading, आप बोलोगे यार कलर है, कलर तो शेड होगा ही, लेकिन इसके ऊपर SDP कोटिंग है जो 7 साल वारंटी की आती है. 7 साल is a very long period. By then you will also get bored. यार मुझे लग रहा है मैं रूफ चेंज करना चाहता हूँ. You can change it.
Right.
Okay. So talking about Oralium, Oralium is a company. It's a limited company, and this product is a very beautifully designed and thought about product.
I must say, like looking over here itself, it looks really unique, really cool.
And they have a product range.
Okay.
And this is the most premium range of theirs, which is called a grand tile. You can see the grand tile while we call this the design. So the design itself gives you the feel of a granite.
Okay.
So the shades of you can see how the color shades play along.
Right.
So when it interacts with the sunlight, so it forms a very beautiful pattern. So they give you that granite finish kind of look. So that's why we call it a grand tile.
Okay.
And in this there are various colors available. So based on which you can make a decision कि मुझे ये डालना है. And we also have a special coating called PVDF, but it comes at an extra cost. So with PVDF we give you a 25 years of warranty. So if someone is looking for a vast area and they want the color to prevail, so they can go with PVDF coating.
Okay.
So that is one advantage with Oralium. Coming to the next range, so as I said, this is the most premium range grand tile. So now we have Nova tile. Nova tile, you have a Roman kind of look. See, Roman tiles has a different kind of look. Some people will not like, I don't want to go with a traditional kind of look. I want to go with something modern, European. So you can go with Nova tile. So in Nova tile, again, you have various colors. This is called cool gray. So you can see the company itself comes with the manufacturer warranty of lifetime. So it's printed. It's not like I'm telling you, it's likha hua hai. So you will find it here. So
this is all made in India?
Yes, everything is made in India.
Okay.
And there are only 2 companies which make it. Oralium is one. So they are the leading manufacturers in India. So
tell me this, with Onduline you had very specific points telling that it has to be installed in a specific way and all of that. Is it the same for Oralium as well?
It's not only Oralium. आप कोई भी roofing product ले लो, installation is one of the main criteria when it comes to a roof.
Okay.
If you find a leaking roof, 99% installation की गलती रहती है. Because product में गलती होना बहुत, because that's आप कोई भी लेके जाके आप एक अगर टार्पल भी लगाते हो ना, अगर ठीक तरह से इंस्टॉल कर दो तो लीक नहीं होगा. तो वो इंडिया में क्या हो जाता है, हर एक फैब्रिकेटर अपना एक जुगाड़ कर लेता है एंड दे वांट टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज एंड मेक प्रॉफिट्स आउट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग।
Okay.
अभी जैसे आपको ये शीट लगाना है तो इसमें ना आपको स्क्रूज क्रेस्ट में ही करना है। अगर क्रेस्ट में करना है आपको 55 mm का स्क्रू लगेगा, यहाँ पे करेंगे तो 25 mm के स्क्रू में हो जाएगा। तो द कॉस्ट डिफरेंस इज 1 rupee. The fabricator might save 1,000 rupees, but end customer, because of a small mistake of saving 1,000 rupees, he would lose lakhs together of money which he has put into the roof. So we would see, this is a water flowing area. It's a simple logic. There's no rocket science in this. This is a water flowing area. If you put a fastener into this, the fastener will have a small washer. Washer जैसे wear out होगा, पानी लीक होना शुरू हो जाएगा। So EPDM washer का जो longevity रहता है, maximum shelf life हम लोग जो बोलते हैं, 5 से 6 साल है। 5 से 6 साल के बाद washer wear out होगा, पानी अंदर जाएगा। आप इधर इसको आप डाल दो, ये this is never affected because water falls onto this, it slides here. So there's no stagnation of water here.
Right.
So that increases the longevity of the product.
So including this product, the tile, Roman inspired tiles, and for this, there's a specific place to install and there's a specific way to install.
Yes, to be very specific and technical, there are purlins beneath this. We call it a secondary structure which actually handles this sheets. So we need, if we are telling on Nova tile needs purlins at every 300 mm.
Okay.
Whereas the grand tile, it's the same. We need at every 300 mm there needs to be a purlin, but a lightweight purlin. We don't want heavy kind of a structure. It's a very lightweight purlin. So this was about Nova tile. But when you come up to a basic starting range, but still you want the look and feel of Oralium, so we have Durastrong.
Okay.
So where Oralium Strong is something, the raw material remains the same in all the products. So the thickness of the product will be around 0.56 mm. You have again the SDP coating remains the same. Only thing is the corrugation is different. And again in this, the purlins can be placed at 450 mm instead of someone wants okay, I don't want to spend much on the structure. I'm okay with this one, but I want the same benefits and features of the Oralium product.
Right.
So Durastrong is something which comes at a best pricing, budget friendly. But the feature wise it remains the same, and you can see the shades of colors they have. It's really beautiful. The finish, the product wise, you will not get this feel in a normal color coated sheets which we have in the market now. So
what's the range of each one of these products?
It starts from 65 rupees. It goes up to 120, 130 rupees depending on the colors you want to play with.
So this is aluminium, right? Does the price fluctuate a lot?
Yes, obviously. Aluminum being a commodity, so the prices in the market fluctuate a lot. But as a company, we have a standard this one. We revise it every quarter. So the prices don't go up day in, day out. But every quarter, yes, we revise the prices. So for the latest prices, you will have to get back to me at that point in time when there's a requirement.
Okay, perfect. What would you like to show me next?
Next thing is people will always talk about insulation. Okay, so every house or a roof is something to protect you from heat.
Sorry to interrupt you, but with Oralium, the rain sound will be a lot, I'm assuming.
Yes, being a metal, if there is, every product has its benefits and disadvantages, obviously.
Obviously, it's just a question of trade-offs.
Yes. So when it comes to Oralium, if you have an underlayment and extra insulation, this product will take care of the rain platter sound. But yes, when standalone product, no, it doesn't serve the product. But it's 30% better than the color coated sheets. When you take,
which we'll talk about. We'll
yes.
show them to you guys soon.
Yes.
So what's next? You were saying.
Yes. When we are talking about, you were rightly said, rain platter. So that's one of the most annoying thing which can happen when you have a roof, rain platter. Somebody wants a roof which will give them that off time. That's like they want a private time and they have made a roof and there's rain. They will not be able to enjoy the rain. So there is a product for that that's called puff insulated panels. Puff, to be very precise, it's polyurethane foam.
Okay.
So it's actually a sandwich of two top and bottom sheets, and in between we have puff, that's polyurethane foam. I'll take you to that product.
Sure.
See, these are the sandwich panels. You can see a sandwich where when I'm explaining, there is a top sheet, there's a bottom sheet. You have puff in the middle. So this is the insulating part. where you have a 40 kg density of puff, that's polyurethane foam, and the top and bottom sheet is PPGL, that's pre-painted galvalume. In this we have various colors, and you can see the bottom is totally flat, so this gives you that aesthetic sense even at the bottom. So you don't see the corrugation, the top corrugation at the bottom. So this is about the puff panels. As I said, Go Green is our own brand. So Go Green, we have two different categories where people would want, okay, I want the top sheet to be JSW Coloron Plus, so we have Go Green Plus. So you can see the top sheet is JSW Coloron Plus. So at the bottom again we have PPGL. The product remains the same all through. Only addition is that we have a branded top sheet. Otherwise the product remains the same. You can see we have brick red color, the light blue, then we have the off-white. So there are three different colors which we stock usually, and at times where a customer wants customization of the color, if they are able to provide us time, then we are able to give them a customized color too.
For any decent color, you can give me a puff sheet.
Yes, in puff sheets there are two things. Very important thing for a customer to look into. There are factors which you want to look into. There is continuous panel and a discontinuous panel. Discontinuous panels are made manually, so you will not have uniform quality. The puff density varies in a discontinuous panel. In continuous panels, we are very clear that we only sell continuous panels. So our panels are totally made on an automated line. The line comes from Netherlands, so the quality is taken care of. So you can see the density, how heavy it is. So the molecule formation is very closely linked. That's why the sturdiness of the product. So आप कोई भी discontinuous panel ले लीजिए, so you press, it actually breaks. So that doesn't happen with mine. You can see even if it's cut in the middle, you can see the uniformness
right
all through. So in discontinuous panels, that's not available. So आप किसी से भी puff panels लीजिए. This is the main thing you will have to look into. And second thing is the top sheet should be PPGL. It should be galvalume, not PPGI, the galvanized sheet, because that leads to rusting. So that is one, the next important factor. Otherwise, in puff panels, they are very easy to install. They are very durable, 30-40 years without any problem. And insulation wise, if you are putting a 50 mm puff panel, it's something like you have put up a 6-inch concrete on top. So that is the insulation level. So
it protects all the rain noise also.
Yes.
So tell me this, you're using foam in between. Is there any issue for two regards? One is, does it have any chemicals or something which will affect the air which I breathe? And second is, it's foam, so is it a space where pests can go in, like rodents or insects or something like that?
Okay, I'll answer both your questions. First, as you said, being chemicals, is it hazardous? No, because it's totally covered, and ये आपका जो sheet है, this is actually exposed to the sun. This is actually completely insulated from top and bottom. That's why we call it a sandwich panel. So you don't have any hazards as such when as you said, rightly said. So asbestos, you know that it's very hazardous to stay under a roof. So that is not a case with puff panels.
Okay.
So in puff panels, there's, as I said, it's sandwich of two sheets. So the bottom sheet covers you with all that, any hazards of a chemical. So our refrigerators, they actually use puff for insulating. So you can know that it's a safe material.
Right.
So हमारे day-to-day use में होता है. Second question.
Pests and rodents.
Pests and rodents. It's a pest and rodent retardant. So any pests or rodents will not prick into this because they don't like it. So it's a rodent-resistant product. So you don't have to worry about it.
So what's the range of the roof and the wall?
Okay, as I said, it's not only the roof which comes in puff panels, we also have wall. It starts with a thickness of 30 mm and ranges up to 150 mm thickness. And these are also used in cold storages to have standard humidity or temperature controlled. This is a widely used product, so it's an industrial product too. Recently it has been widely used in residential purposes also. So we have wall panels. Wall panels actually come with a tongue and groove system which lock into one another, and it's very easy to install. So, and it reduces the interference of any noise which comes into picture during installation or after installation also. So that's about the puff panels for you.
So what about the cost range?
It starts between anywhere between 105 and it goes up to 200, 250.
Both
depending
roof
on the
and
thickness.
wall?
Yes, both roof and wall. It falls in between this range. Again, I would say any product, आप कितने का भी product लगा दो, 100 का, 50 का, 18 रुपए का लगा दो, but installation is one of the major factors when it comes to a beautiful and sturdy roof.
Okay. So you've shown me a metal, you've shown me a organic cellulose based roofing. What do you have for me here?
See, plastics are one of our day-to-day use products. So in roofing, yes, we can use plastic, but it should be an enhanced plastic. You can't use a normal plastic because this is exposed to the external factors like your wind, sun. So on a day-to-day basis, when I talk about a roofing for this one, so it's an enhanced plastic. We call it UPVC. To talk about UPVC, it's unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. So in UPVC, we have again corrugated sheets, and we also have something called tile profile sheet. Someone who wants an aesthetic sense, see, you can see this product. So the product has a thickness of 2.5 mm, and we get it in two shades. One is terracotta and one is cool gray. It comes in different sizes. Comparatively, when you are talking about rain plattering, that was this one. So it gives you that sound insulation, and also it gives you that aesthetic sense. And आपके budget में भी आता है. So it comes with 5 years of warranty.
How much does it cost?
So it ranges between 50 to 60 rupees a square foot, because each color has a different pigmentation and different prices. So इसमें आपको हर size का ये मिलेगा. Around we have 6 different sizes. It also has industrial applications because it is chemically unreactive. So when you are putting it across, someone is running acid factory, so he can't go with a corrugated color coated sheet because आपको 2-3 महीने में खा जाएगा पूरा. तो plastic is the answer for it. So in plastic, which is enhanced, as I said, UPVC is the best option available.
This is the same material used in some of these new windows?
Yes, that's the same product जो आपके window profiles में UPVC जो आता है, same उसका और इसका जो resin है, same है. तो इस पे लेकिन ASA coating आता है differently because you can see that finish, that ASA gives you that 5 years of warranty. So इसके 3 layers हैं, ये 3 layers से बनता है. तो इसका जो main raw material है वो UPVC है. टॉप में आपको ASA कोटिंग आएगी और बॉटम में you can know looking at the different layers which is being formed here.
Right.
So this was about UPVC.
Okay. And what next?
So we have, that is जैसे बोलते हैं मास प्रोडक्ट होता है, ये हमारे फोकस प्रोडक्ट्स थे. हमारा एक मास प्रोडक्ट है जो हमारे कस्टमर खुद आते हैं पूछते हुए कि हमें सर कोटेड शीट चाहिए. तो दैट इज़ आवर ओन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. वी हैव अ रोल फॉर्मिंग फैक्ट्री एट दावसपेट. So I would want you to see our product.
So getting into the entry range of your products, if
Yes.
that's the right word.
I wouldn't say entry range. I would say ये आम आदमी का प्रोडक्ट है, जहाँ पे it's very budget friendly, but it still takes care of the aesthetics. इसमें आप बोलते हैं ना वो रंगों की होली खेल सकते हैं. So there are a lot of colors in this, and the options are numerable. So it depends on कि आपका टेस्ट क्या है. आप कलर डिसाइड कर सकते हो, जैसे घर का डिसाइड करते हो, अपना रूफ का डिसाइड करो. सो दिस इज़ द कलर कोटेड शीट्स. इसका ये मेजर बेनिफिट है, इट गिव्स यू स्टर्डीनेस एंड इट विल ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट इट कम्स इन टू योर बजट. जितना भी आप इंडस्ट्रीज देखते हैं, 90% ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रीज गो विथ कलर कोटेड शीट्स बिकॉज इसका जो अप्लीकेबिलिटी है, इट्स वेरी वाइड रेंज एंड इट्स अ वेरी वर्सटाइल प्रोडक्ट. And it's very easy to install, and most of the people would want it customized because they don't want wastage when it comes with 2 लाख 3 लाख स्क्वायर फीट का जो भी इंस्टॉलेशन होता है. जैसे आपने बिग वेयर हाउसेस देखे होंगे, तो उसमें जब उसका इंस्टॉलेशन होता है, they want customization, so that can be easily customized. And there are a wide range of colors available in this. Let be brick red, off-white, light blue, turquoise blue.
You guys manufacture it yourself?
Yes, we have a roll forming unit where we customize this. We get coils. We also make sure that आपको mm में चाहिए, mm के level पे customization हो जाएगा.
What's the range?
As I said, this is a GI sheet. The starting range starts at 18 rupees. It goes upwards up to around 40 rupees a square foot. depending on the thickness. There are various thicknesses available. It starts from 0.35 mm with color coated sheets. When it comes to GI sheets, it starts from 0.2 mm. So going forward, you also have tile profile, where if you want, you want both budget and also the aesthetics to match, then this would be the right product for you. So you can see the tile profile, it gives you that kind of tile finish, same what we saw it in Oralium. We also have it in metal coated sheets, but at a more budget friendly rate. So this ranges from 38 rupees a square foot. It goes upwards till 45 rupees depending on the thickness of the sheet.
What about durability and all of that with this?
Durability wise, see, as you know, it's made out of hard steel, and as I said, it's pre-painted galvalume. The composition of the product is 55% aluminium, 43% zinc, and 2% alloys. So that's the composition of the product. That actually helps us, I can easily say 5 से 8 साल तक कोई problem नहीं होगा. उसके बाद भी 10-15 साल, we have already been in the market for 8 years. 8 साल पहले install किया गया product, आज तक कोई problem नहीं है. Again, installation is the key. So that's very important. Please keep that in any product. अगर installation खराब हुआ, then the product is gone wrong. आप 10 रुपए का product लगाओ या 100 रुपए का product. Installation is very important.
Got it. You told me something about roofing accessories. So before we close on the video, can you tell me a bit more about those?
See, every product of ours has unique accessories. Okay. So right from installation, आप कोई भी joint ले लीजिए या कोई भी ये ले लीजिए, everything has customized accessories. It depends on the fabricator who decides कि ये accessory जानी चाहिए, ये नहीं जानी चाहिए. So as I said you before, every product, okay, when you do the installation, you have to understand the properties of this product. जहाँ पे installation हो रहा है, जैसे वहाँ पे अभी walls होंगे, उसके लिए flashings की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. There are apron flashings for that. Then we have top ridges. Then we have L flashes. So there are various different accessories applicable for various other different applications. So you have to understand, or you have to get the right fabricator who can understand the product before installing it.
Right.
And again, there are so many leakage. There is a leaking roof. So we can consult you for that. And we have a team which will come to the site and do the measurements for you, and will also help you consult on the product कि कौन सा product will be right for you. So to choose the right products. And in a few days time, we are coming up with virtual reality also, which will help you make a informed decision on the products. So we will be introducing it to you probably next time आएंगे हमारे पास. I think we will have that product ready. So it's in the development stage now.
Awesome, guys. So that was Reza. Thank you so much, Imran, for taking us through your entire range of products.
Thank you, Nikhil.
I'll leave a form in the description below. You can fill that form and we'll connect you to Imran and his team. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. I'll try to address it myself, or I'll ask someone from Reza to reply to it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.